devastation wrought by the atomic raids of 1965, three great police states rose to divide the world: Oceania, Eurasia, and East Asia. Atomic weapons were abolished, but not war itself. For only by maintaining the strain and tension of continual conflict could the ruling parties enforce absolute power.
Twisted, twisted love, twisted, twisted love. She's just that type of girl. 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 Sinking, sinking love, sinking, sinking love.
After reading all the book, I think that it's a peculiar and at the same time a nice book. There are some parts a little bit confusing, but that mix up the reader.
I was looking through the window as usual. It was a windy day and there were too many clouds. I was really exhausted because yesterday night I had been studying biology. Actually, I just wanted to finish the class to arrive home and have a nap.
Yesterday, I didn't have time to do the activities, so I have done them now. As it's 2 weeks since I read the chapters 10 and 11, I had to look in the book for some information.
Just finished reading the book. I didn't expect it to end the way it did. I didn't think the party was ever going to be able to get into Winston Manor.
When I arrived home, I started checking my agenda in case I had something to do. And oh yes, I had completely forgotten that we had to read a book called 1984, written by George Orwell. I had to admit I felt like shit when I realized that I had to read the first 3 chapters of the book.